Something unusual about the Trendy Lara Hotel is that in order to get to the private beach, you need to take the catamaran along the river, which will take you on a meandering journey to the private beach of the hotel. If you leave the grounds of the hotel, you will see the catamarans which are moored alongside a private jetty. You can jump aboard with the captain and he will take you on about a 2-minute journey down the river to the private beach. Today is the 24th of November 2024. It's late afternoon, about 4:30, and it was such a gorgeous evening we decided to take the boat trip to the beach. In the background you can see what I believe to be the Taurus Mountains, a mountain chain that stretches for 2 kilometers from Antalya city. Against the blue sky you can clearly see the 3 room blocks of the Trendy Lara Hotel. The mountains in the background look as though they are snow-lined, but not quite sure whether they are or not. Once you arrive at the beach jetty, you have to climb a few steps in order to get to the beach at the Trendy Lara Hotel. Once at the beach, there is a beach bar available for you. However, in November, unfortunately, it was closed. To the east side of the beach there is what I can only describe as a shanty town. It's a little bit off-putting, but I can imagine during the height of the summer this would not be a problem for people wanting to use the beach. We also noticed that on the beach there were quite a few stray dogs. They didn't bother you if you didn't bother them. They were all tagged and seemed to be well fed and well cared for. In the background here you can see a fantastic hotel, the Mardam Palace. This hotel has been built alongside the Trendy Lara. Travelling back up the river you can again see the picturesque mountains in the background. The boat trip was a great little experience and quite quirky for a hotel. weather in November is a little bit hit and miss, but however, it's well worth visiting Antalya at this time of year.